another level sa kanyang pag-aaral. Isip, tumama na kayo ka na. Pag tinawag po kayo, lumapit lang po kayo dito. Certificate of Recognition. This is to certify that ating recognize has successfully completed the school 2024-2025 with outstanding academic performance and has been awarded their dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence have not only earned them this prestigious recognition, but also our deepest admiration and respect. We are proud of their achievements and look forward to their future successes. Presented this 22nd day of June 2025, signed by Pastor Jose Michael Villena, CFCM Senior Pastor, and Miss Dorothy Angeles Pilaya, CFCM Corporate Secretary. Kayla Emily Luis Ravena. Luke Reinald Ravena. Si Luke Reinald Ravena, grade 6 with honors. Palakpakan niyo rin. Si Kayla po ay grade 2 with honors po. Actually, marami pa silang award ng bilang kasya. And then si Leona Claret Gruta with honors and perfect attendance. Kylie Athena Francisco with honors. Jana De Ocampo, perfect attendance. Wala si Cleven, ha? Wala. Sorry. Skylar Harlet Domingo, grade 7 with honors. Ella Domingo, grade 7 with honors. Eliza Salvador, grade 7, perfect attendance. Princess Jairen, wala na. Wala. Cinderella Abelon, grade 2 with honors. Kiana Carlos, grade 8 with honors. John Eisen Villena, grade 9 with honors. Jessica De Ocampo, grade 9, perfect attendance. Nelweg John Valdez, grade 11 with honors. Isay Mayama Villena, grade 12 with honors. Marjorie Gutierrez, grade 12 with honors and leadership award. Lloyd Cedric Abeliano, grade 12 with honors. Ezequiel Gonzon, grade 12 with honors. Thank you, Ana. Michael Owen Villena, bronze medalist, table tennis, Rizal. So yung pong mga with honors hindi po nakapaglista. Next year na lang po. Mga anak, we appreciate you. Simple lang naman yung token na ibinigay namin sa inyo, but we appreciate you and we are very happy sa lahat ng achievements na meron kayo. Perfect attendance man yan, mahirap yun. Mahirap yun. 220 days na walang absent, mahirap yun. So we appreciate you all and we are praying na sa susunod na taon, with honors pa rin kayo hanggang makatapos na kayo ng inyong college. God bless you all.